What's up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we're working on a 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer. And all I'm going to show you is how to fix your fuel door if it stops opening up whenever you hit the latch. So if you need to do this in your vehicle, stay tuned. Okay, so first I would like to show you what it does. Pulling it here, you can hear it, but it's not opening up. So now I was able to prop it open. So here you can see in this little hole right here, it's missing something. It's missing this little clip right here with this spring on it. This black part is actually a spring. It hits there. So then we're gonna put it here, and if you look at it, it has a little clip on the inside. So we put it in. Once it locks on, you close it. So now let's try to open it one more time. Boom! You see how that thing opened up? So that spring pushes on that little tab in the back, and it just pops right open when you hit that latch. Alright, so like I was saying, that one had a missing clip. Now all vehicles have a similar thing on it. So it could be a little spring that pushes the door open, a similar clip, or a different style of clip or different style of spring, but they all have almost the same mechanism. Something that's gonna push the door out whenever you unlatch it, right? So you need to check what's broken. But if you're working on this vehicle, a Mitsubishi, those clips usually fit most Mitsubishis. Just double check it, but I'm gonna put a link to this clip right there in the description just in case you're working on an 02 Mitsubishi. And if it's any other type of Mitsubishi or something like that, just make sure that that fits your vehicle, but I'm gonna put it right there in the description. Alright guys, so as always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.